Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Go to search bar and type settings, click here to open it. Now go to network and internet, then click on advanced network settings, click on network reset and just reset now. Okay, now close this window. Again go to search bar and type settings, click here to open it. Again go to network and internet, then select Ethernet and just select DNS server assignment, select to manual, turn on IPv4 and set these DNS addresses 8844. Select this option and then click on save. Okay. Now close this window. Again go to search bar and select settings, go to network and internet, select proxy, click on edit and you need to turn off this option. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.